How to delete page break in Google Docs. If you want to delete page break in Google Docs, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply first of all open up your Google Docs right here. Now let's say I inserted a page break. To do that, I would go to insert. First, I will select my mouse and the cursor there. I would go to insert and I would go to this break option. I would select page break and I have added a page break right here. And how do I get rid of this page break? Well, to get rid of this page break, simply go ahead and hover to the maximum one and then just keep on hitting backspace or delete button until the page break has been deleted. So just like that, the page break will be taken care of and you can just hit backspace from the page break page that you want to delete and it will be automatically deleted and take you back to the previous page. And this is the way on how you can delete a page break. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.